Hey guys, it's Celine. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a lentil soup for toddlers. This is a soup that I grew up on. My mom would make it for me all the time. I love it because it's full of flavor and it's full of fiber. Fiber, 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 guys. That's what your toddlers need in their diet. If your child suffers of constipation or irregular bowel movements, I know, that's really weird to be bringing up before I'm about to show you a food recipe, but it's something that happens, guys. So you have to make sure that your toddler is staying hydrated. If they don't like water, make sure you give them apple juice, prune juice, pear juice, obviously that has low sugar levels, and you have to make sure that they have fiber in their diet. This recipe is full of fiber. I also recommend my broccoli soup for toddlers. That one is full of fiber as well. For the most part, vegetables have fiber in them, but some have higher fiber levels than others. So let's go over the ingredients and we can begin. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Yeah? I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I have many more coming your way, so make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Yeah!